Hello, and welcome back to 3D Concept for another short tutorial for FreeCAD. Today, we're diving into the Sketcher Workbench to explore how to use perpendicular constraints. This is a fundamental tool for creating precise and accurate sketches. Let's get started. For this video, we'll be using the latest stable version of FreeCAD, 0.21.2. First, let's talk about what perpendicular constraints are. In FreeCAD, a perpendicular constraint forces two lines or edges to be at a 90-degree angle to each other. This is essential for creating accurate geometric shapes and ensuring your designs are precise. Let's begin. If you haven't already done so, open FreeCAD and create a new document. In Part Design Workbench, create a new body. Next, create a new sketch on the XY plane. Now, let's draw two lines that we want to make perpendicular. Use the Line tool to draw two lines at any angle. With our lines drawn, it's time to apply the perpendicular constraint. Select both lines. Then, click on the Perpendicular Constraint button in the toolbar or use the N key on the keyboard. As you can see, the lines are now perpendicular to each other at 90 degrees. You can adjust the position of the lines if needed, but they will remain at a 90-degree angle. Let's see a practical example. We'll create a rectangle using the perpendicular constraint. Draw four lines to form a rough rectangle shape. Now, apply the perpendicular constraint to each corner. This ensures all angles are 90 degrees, giving us a perfect rectangle. And there you have it. Using perpendicular constraints in FreeCAD is a simple yet powerful way to ensure your sketches are precise. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more 3D printing and design tips. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!